Hello all, we have a new itel S665L phone in our hand. So sometimes you might want to use USB tethering in your phone, right? To connect your phone to connect internet from your phone to your laptop or something. So what we are basically doing is we are going to use internet on laptop using the mobile connection from the phone. That's what tethering helps us. So if you go to settings here, go to settings, and if you go, you will have something called hotspot and tethering. Now if you see here in the tethering, you have USB tethering, and this is right now disabled. Okay, so even if you try to enable by clicking here, nothing works because we haven't connected the USB to the phone. So now we are connecting the USB to the phone. Okay, you can see here, the phone started charging. For now we are going to enable the data transfer, and you can see the USB tethering is enabled. So even though you are using the phone, and wants to connect, if USB is not plugged in, it doesn't allow, right? So it's basically disabled by default. Now you can happily use internet on your laptop or mobile because USB tethering has been enabled.